TokenFest 2018, and we are live in San Francisco. So guys, let me go ahead and just show you what's going on around here. I'm gonna grab my stuff real quick. Bear with me.
That's really important because the way that these companies move money today is essentially they become their own and they're out there integrating, as pictured on this picture, hundreds of systems around the world.
All right. You said to buy the TV near the registration. Buy the TV near registration. Buy TV near registration.
You will like the booth, right?
Their Wi-Fi's down.
Yeah, I just noticed when I was because I was trying to go live and it wouldn't do nothing, so I had to go back on what's it called? They said they're by the TVs near registration. In the TV room.
Maybe it's over there?
Possibly. Nurse token. Yeah, I'm gonna go stop at each one of these booths and talk to each one of these people in a bit. As you see, we got a bunch of tokens and stuff going on. Stable coin backed by consensus. Koala. Huh. Breaks. Coast stores, coins.
Conference.
Yeah, I mean that's what I'm wondering. Like, where are people talking at? All right, I'm trying to find the. TV room.
Excuse me. Are you with the organization?
I'm Master's my pro.
Oh, it just said staff.
So my staff member up back.
Do you know where like the actual conference is?
Like where the speakers are?
I think there's a picture there over there somewhere. Because I remember based on the layout, it's that one.
Okay. Do you know where the TV room is?
Oh, there's a media room in the very front.
Okay, they weren't in there.
Let's go back there.
Yeah. All right.
Can I help you guys?
We're looking for the TV room. Trying to meet somebody.
Meeting rooms?
TV room? They said they're in the TV room by the registration.
Registration.
Okay.
Go there, I think it might be to the right.
Okay. All right. TVs. Yeah. Hey, where's Sinclair at?
It's not yet.
Oh, he's not here yet? Oh, okay. Where's Tongai? Oh, yeah, I'm sure. What's up? Jerome.
Okay.
Good. Good. Wait, Sinclair didn't travel with y'all?
No, we came alone. He's coming later.
But he's coming today? Okay.
How you doing?
Doing good, man. Which room were you in?
This one.
Oh, okay. I was going to the media room right here. But that's why I saw the TVs in there. Okay. Where is the actual amphitheater where they're speaking at?
He's speaking upstairs.
Okay, they're up there.
Because the issue we have is we have bigs, so it's only for home.
Okay.
If the toilets give bigs,
Okay. No, let's go to the media room. You want to go to the media room? Right, they let me in Charles, dude. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? I'm good, man. How you doing? That's good. Good seeing you again, too, bro. All right. All right, I'm gonna go interview all these people in the booths, but let's want to meet up. You want to meet up around the first break, around lunchtime? I think it's right 11:30.
yeah.
All right, cool.
Okay.
All right, bro.
Faster release for things like that. Yeah, and it allows the nurse to really globalize where they can work. So the agency is not specific right now.
And it's on demand, so it can serve emergencies. It can serve any kind of world disaster.
Yeah, that could go anything from educational to background check to your test.
So technically, it could be used for just if you have a surgery
because there's
center
such a
that has
large
more
shortage
cases the next day, as simple as that, to
agency,
we have a giant flood in an area.
I afford you.
Under
I don't want to let you
it
go.
can be used for all.
I got all
It's
the work
just the idea
possibly
that
have
you have instant,
This allows
on
the nurse to do
demand.
anything.
John, Jerome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Glad you're here.
Oh, what brought me here? I'm a part of a crypto group called Digital Underground. So we got about 65,000 people in between our Facebook group, and then on our YouTube we have about 250,000 followers. So I go around to different conferences, and I'm also a blockchain developer. So I'm here streaming for TokenFest. What's up? What about you?
Yeah, I'm actually part of the nurse token.
Oh, okay. Well, good. Well, you're the person I want to talk to. You want to tell me what's up. Tell me what's Nurse Token.
So Nurse Token is basically a passport for nurses to work any hospitals that they choose to work.
Okay.
We own a nurse staffing agency, and for nurses to work any hospital, they have to go through a 3 months credential process. So let's say I want to work in a hospital over there, I got to go through a 3 months credential.
So that's why we developed
So we just verify you one time, put you on the blockchain. If you want to work in any hospital,
On demand.
Yeah, on demand.
Okay. Cool. So like for crisis situations and stuff, like there's an earthquake in Haiti or something like that. Gotcha.
Exactly. Yeah.
So yeah, my aunt's a nurse. She's an RN. But okay. So how did you come up with the idea? What was your?
Well, we already own owner operators. There's staffing agency. Okay. We have about 150 hospitals signed up. We're 100 hospitals. Nurses coming on board every week. And that's our bottleneck. The credentialing process, the big bottleneck for nurses. Hospital agency and nurses. So we're just trying to solve a problem where we can allocate nurses instantaneously and mobilize them. So we have, so we have 1.4 million in commitments.
Okay.
Yeah. Starting my pre-sale in 5 weeks.
Okay. What token is it built off of?
It's going to be built off of Neo. Yeah. Nice. And we actually have the City of Zion software engineers backing us.
Oh, which ones? I work with COC.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Who?
Oh, Dean.
Dean? Okay. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. And you know Tyler Adams? Yeah. I'm actually talking to him right now. Yeah. They're out in APEC tour right now. I think coming back. I think they fly back in a couple of days, but yeah. I was at Neo DevCon and
we were there too. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. So what's your
digital advertising.
What's the word I'm looking for? What's your timeline for the next 5 years?
For the next 5 years, our blockchains are actually already 2/3 built out.
Okay.
So we're going to launch by the end of this year.
Okay.
I already have the nurses on board with us.
So you said you had 150 hospitals. Are they all across the country, or most of them? Okay. Cool.
You have to have something more like Ripple.
So
has higher throughput.
okay. So you're an agency who's launching a blockchain for the nurses. So for people, all right. So I'm from Kentucky, right? My aunt, she went to Galen Nursing College in Louisville. So for people who are fresh out of the nursing program, what's the transition with that? So I don't know what to do, but there's an RN and then there's LN. Okay, so they come out of college and then they're looking for work. So I'm guessing you guys reach out to them like a recruiter.
Yes.
Okay. You reach out to them. You vet them, and then you put their information on the blockchain, put them on their first assignment, and then after that, you're just shipping them around.
Yeah. You vet them one time, and they're done.
That's nice.
But that's the short term, right?
And so the hospitals reserve the nurses using the coins, using the tokens.
Exactly. And so let's say your stable is, let's say you're in Venezuela,
okay.
And if they're using their currencies to be baskets, basically the currencies worth nothing. So if you work in Venezuela or helping out in Venezuela, how do you get paid? So nurse token things in and help you stabilize it.
Gotcha.
Payment process.
So when the hospitals, I'm assuming they go on the DAP and they're like, hey, we need 5 LNs from Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
And then there's an associated. Is it by hour, by day?
We do both hour and day.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like Uber for nurses, basically. Yeah. So if they want to work 4 hours, they just work 4 hours.
Nice.
Yeah. So it gives them a lot of freedom to do whatever they want, right? Yeah. They don't have to be confined to their 9 to 5. If they choose to work 2 to 3 days a week, they can.
Okay. So are you paying the nurses with the token, or the hospital's paying you guys with the token and you're paying them in cash?
The hospitals are paying the nurses
with the token. Okay.
Yeah. And then the nurses are giving the tokens to the hospitals to validate the credentials.
Gotcha.
So that's where the transaction is.
All right, bro. What was your name again?
Sean.
Sean. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Sean.
Nice to see you too.
Thank you.
Do you want to enter the winner?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
And grab a chocolate too.
Okay. Nice. Yeah. Click here to enter. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mind if I got a chocolate?
Oh, please, do. Go ahead.
I like this idea.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, there's a huge. I know there's a huge shortage for nurses. My aunt gets worked to death. They're always
She does, yeah. That's our biggest problem, challenge too. I mean, there's so much demand. We don't have enough nurses.
Yeah, and I'm in Kentucky, so we're going through the big heroin epidemic right now. So like the hospitals are getting slammed.
I mean, they're spending $2 million a month at the agency, at the nursing agency. $2 million a month. A hospital.
It's hard to build out the tech stack. It's hard to get in there. So now, finally, the timing's right with this whole gig.
What is your involvement in blockchain?
So, in our personal business,
so you said you have the chain built out 2/3 of the way right now.
2/3 of the way.
Every other day or something. Anyway, that's where the idea came.
I like it.
Some nurses just show up with their public key and know for investors to look it up on your block tracker.
Correct.
And hey, you're a registered nurse, and
you have
really on blockchain.
Cool. Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, Sean. Yes, I did. Thank you, sir. White paper. Let me grab this.
Yeah, so
That's the most important.
Thank you. How you doing? Well-Trado. Tell me about Well-Trado. Oh, first of all, what's your name? Thomas.
Am Aiste?
I'm sorry.
Aiste.
Aiste. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Aiste. I'm Jerome. So yeah, tell me about your platform.
So we are already operating. We want to extend the platform. Basically, what we are doing, we are connecting peer-to-peer lending platforms in one place.
Okay.
So it means there are around 4,500 different players in the market. Most of the players are not regulated. So for investors, there is always a risk that you might lose your investment if you choose not the correct one platform. So we already connected 100 peer-to-peer lending platforms in Europe, and we want to go by region. We believe that connecting all the platforms, aggregating the statistical data can decrease the overall risk of peer-to-peer lending. So the more players we have, the more we ask for these players to provide the statistical data, for example, about the loans we have, about are they regulated, who regulates them, what are the default rates, and so on. So that would allow to build a global tool, basically. And for investors, it would be much more easier because right now, on average, one small investor invests in 5-7 different peer-to-peer lending platforms. And it means that it is quite hard to monitor investments. Each time we have to, let's say, deposit money in different platforms, to track investment in Excel files and so on.
Right.
So one automated solution, you can directly invest for us in different loans. There are around 10 million in the wall. Less we see that the platforms are moving to automation. So basically, we want to develop a fund that will diversify your investments. So it means that you put, let's say, for example, 5,000 euros in our platform or dollars, and we spread this investment to 100 or 500 different peer-to-peer platforms. So in such a case, if something goes wrong, let's say with 1 or 2 peer-to-peer lending platforms, so basically you will lose just a small fraction of the investments. So, and at the same time, you could get much more higher returns because right now the capital is quite restricted. So you cannot invest in certain regions. It's quite hard, for example, from the United States of America. And most of the peer-to-peer lending platforms in Europe or in Asia, you wouldn't be allowed to do that. In a global tokenized marketplace, that would allow. So basically, we have several, let's say, goals. We want to build a fully transparent, secure marketplace for peer-to-peer lending platforms, and allow for all the investors just to use our tool and invest and get much more, much bigger capital gains.
Okay. So I guess my first question is, are you tracking the payback of the, if I loan you 1 Bitcoin and you don't pay me back, is that, do you have like a rating system for the people that you, okay.
Yeah, so the thing here is, we are a marketplace, so we are a platform of a platform.
Okay,
so
gotcha.
The platforms already have their own rating systems. But when we connect when we connect much more players from the peer-to-peer lending industry. So basically, we could use our own machine learning and artificial intelligence and see much, because we will have much more statistical information. So we can build much more better, let's say, rating systems and so on. And that's the key, because it would improve the peer-to-peer lending platform's rating systems, and for investors it will be much more, let's say, it will be safer to invest directly to us than just go directly to the platforms and do all the process.
Cool. Are you doing a pre-sale right now?
Yeah, we will launch the crowd sale on the 9th of April, so right now we're just going through all the countries and just presenting ourselves.
And what token are you built on? Ethereum. Cool, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.
Business card.
Thank you.
We can check for more information.
Okay. And you said April 9th is when you open up? Okay, cool. All right, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Box.network. Tell me about it. First of all, what's your name? Kyle?
Hey, Tom.
Tom? Nice to meet you. I'm Jerome. So tell me about your platform.
We're a decentralized peer-to-peer margin lending protocol. So, you know how, are you familiar with the 0x protocol?
Yes.
All right, so you know how they have a JavaScript library and a series of smart contracts, and then exchanges build a graphic user interface around that, and it allows people to trade trustlessly, right? So it lets you take a long position on trustlessly. What we're doing is, in that same relays, we're letting people go short, using using our JavaScript library and smart contracts, and we're also letting people percent fee. And
gotcha.
With ours, there's a 10% that we don't take any of that whatsoever.
Okay.
That's distributed. A very small amount is distributed to the bounty hunters that are monitoring the positions for people to make sure that they get liquidated in time. Protects the lenders. Another small part of it just goes to anybody who used gas, calling the contract. And then the last part is stored in a guarantee fund that's decentralized and paid out automatically. We're having decentralized governance of it. And what it does is anytime you lend out money and for some reason you don't get all of your money back, that guarantee fund tops you up.
Okay, nice. All right, cool.
That way you can loan out your money and feel safe, peace of mind.
Yeah.
It's like insured.
Yeah, like that. Cool. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you. Definitely will look at your trial sale.
Thank you very much.
Let me grab one of these. All right, guys, have a nice day. What's up?
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
So, what's your name? Shaka.
Yeah.
Shaka. Okay.
Yeah.
And your
Cool cousin.
All right. What is cool
Where
cousin?
are you streaming?
Huh?
Where are you streaming?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes.
Nice.
Yep. Yeah, I go to conferences and stream. That's what I do.
That's cool.
Yeah. So, tell me about Cool Cousin.
So Cool Cousin is a travel app. We've been live for about 2 years. We're VC backed.
Okay.
We're live in 80 cities around the world. With a few dozens in the backlog. Got over 1,000 locals recommending, with a backlog of over 5,000. What we're doing is we have a recommendation app. So basically you can find recommendations anywhere in the world. Kind of like if you had a friend in New York and you're coming and you don't know the city, you can get all the recommendations, but you can also ask them questions. It's the same with Cool Cousin. You don't have that friend anywhere you're traveling to. For example, you came to San Francisco, you're from here, or you're traveling.
I'm Kentucky.
You're from Kentucky.
Yeah,
So
but I used to live out here, so that's probably a bad example.
Alright. But still, you can see what's changed.
Yeah.
You can go on coolcousin.com and you can find your cousins in here in the city.
Okay.
We're in live already in San Francisco. And what we're doing is we're tokenizing in order both to scale up, but because we have such a great backlog, and it's not profitable it's impossible to really do it from the company. We're doing kind of like a Wikipedia model. We have different levels of contribution.
Gotcha.
And people can be just users. They can just passively take content. They can also become content creators, content editors.
For being content creators?
Sorry?
Are they awarded for being content creators? Okay.
Part of the token system is to incentivize content creation. Part of it is to generate an economy. So you can, for example, you can get services like the messaging. You can tip the cousins. You can also pay for extra services like getting an itinerary. And in the future, we're going to do something like a new travel agent. So we see research shows that millennials are going back to the travel agents, but not for booking, but for their local knowledge. So kind of like what Airbnb did with real estate, where you have an extra room, you can become a host. You're not a hotel yet, but you're a host. So our community has the local knowledge and the know-how, and they can get money out of it. So if they have a lot of time, they can become pro cousins and be kind of like a travel agent in their spare time.
Nice.
They can be just content creators, adding a photo where it's missing, or saying the spot is not in the right place.
Okay. Yeah. And then you got your token sale starting.
Our token sale starts in April. This is the counting down is for the whitelist registration.
Okay. And are you Ethereum based?
We're ERC20 token.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah. That sounds interesting. I'm going to take a look at that.
Take a look at it. Yeah.
All right, bro. And Shakar, right?
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Jerome.
Jerome.
Yes, sir.
Here. That's me?
Yes, sir.
This is you?
Cool. No, there's stuff I'm grabbing. Yeah.
All right, man.
But I will be sending emails out
Send me an
tonight.
email.
All right.
Awesome. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you as well.
It's okay. I'll take care of it.
What's this?
Hi, David. So, our company, Novatron Capital, has 2 incubated projects right now at this point in time, with 2 separate projects. So, Repux is a decentralized big data / AI business applications protocol for SMEs. So, essentially, SMEs have a lot of data, but they don't know how to make use of this data to improve their business operations.
Right.
So, what we're creating is a decentralized multi-stage file storage system for businesses. Because historically, there's never been any business that has that wide access to a spectrum of business data.
Gotcha.
Like even Google, Amazon. So what we're doing is we're placing this data into in a decentralized manner, and letting developers create applications to sell back to these SMEs.
Okay.
So it's like a decentralized Google App Store for Salesforce.
Gotcha. Now, is this for like each individual SME, or is it for like you can use it for sectors?
Sectors, individual SMEs as well, big enterprises, like what Kaggle did in terms of like where companies put up contests to with large data sets, and developers try to figure out what to make sense of that. This is possible with Repux as well.
Gotcha. And I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. What's your name?
David.
David. Nice to meet you. I'm Jerome.
So here's my card.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm representing Repux.
Cool.
This is the CEO of Joy Token.
How you doing? What's your name?
How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Andrew McDonald. How are you?
I'm good. Jerome Bartis.
Sorry, I'm trying to sort something out. Had a bit of a problem with that. Our colleagues couldn't ship over the point of sale on time, and so we're kind of trying to do crisis management here. So
Everything, stuff happens. It's all good.
It's not too bad. Basically, we're trying to created software. It's on demo on our site, joytoken.io, a solution to allow independent games developers to create new innovative content and build it in such a way that consumers can have complete confidence by using the blockchain and smart contracts. So essentially what we're doing is we're identifying the problem where Generation Z and Generation Y are getting ever more distrustful of online transactions. We don't argue that these systems are robust, but they're just not as clear and can't be audited as readily as we would like. And so we come up with a solution to the blockchain to allow them to do that, so they can go and inspect the transactions. Also, for small casinos, the players can come along and can say, do we trust that they're going to be able to pay out? Are everything going to be above board? And that also applies to the developers as well as the content. So are they going to be paid the revenues? So the blockchain allows that to be determined and actually exhibited and make sure that that's going to be happening above board. So on the other side of the developers as well, what we're trying to do, we're not going to build the games. We're saying you build the games, and rather than you pay $100,000 for a license,
I'm a game developer.
and then we got the compliance, the legal, the regs checks. Then we've taken care of that. We're doing it for a fraction of the cost, so we're saying about $20,000. Early adopters, we're looking at maybe making that a little bit sweeter because we want more developers on board. And so we're basically taking that. And we've got B2B agreements with all the major casinos where we use Gavium and Agrimatrix, really a broad set. I mean, already got some of our own games from us that are published through these B2B agreements, and we'll be using that to increase our liquidity pool. Now, what's different between us and other ICOs is quite simple. Is other gaming ICOs, they are creating their own content for their own casino with their own token, which is a very limited liquidity pool. Whereas we're saying large and small casinos through our B2B agreements that we're going to get out there, and we're going to get a much broader
value.
and that's what really marks us out. You know, so the e-gaming space, in terms of turnover, is $54 billion a year, and it's growing. We believe that with our technology, we're going to be able to crack a little bit into it and eventually build momentum and build up over time. And because we are agile and we're quite new to it, we understand what we're doing with blockchain. We're going to be the largest players in the market because they're standing back watching what's going on, by which time it'll be too late. So,
what are you built on?
Sorry?
What are you built on top of?
We're using the Ethereum. Yeah. And we have got around that, the latency.
Yeah, I was going to ask why not choose Neo?
Well, Ethereum's quite tested, and it's robust. So we've just had to find a way to actually work with it. So what we're doing is we're opening a session, hashing the data, and then closing a session. So otherwise, if you click spun on the casino, the customer's not going to wait 1 minute 15 seconds for it to load up, then another 15 minutes, 2.5 minutes before you can get a result. That's just not practical to be for this kind of way of continuing doing it. And we will see dividends from it.
Gotcha. Okay. Cool. I mean, yeah, very.
If you want to know more about the token economics, I have to tell you about that.
Yes.
We've got 700 million coins. 350 million will be up for sale. We're pre-sales at the moment. Pre-sales finish next Tuesday at 2 p.m. GMT. What we're saying is that if you come in at the pre-sale, minimum spend 30,000 USD, we'll do a 30% discount on a token for you, so you get twice the value. We've got a soft cap of $1 million, which we passed. Hard cap of 46. Reason being that the gap is that with the 1 million we can use that to build up our infrastructure. With 46 we can use it for all marketing tools. However, if we at the lower end, we will just have to make sure that we reduce up the B2Bs quite hard. It's a lot more legwork, whereas it's a lot easier for us to turn around with some of the ICO funds to actually use it for marketing purposes. Right. So, and that's good to actually incentivize casinos like a freebie. So we're well on our way there. We've got 3.3 raised, with the pre-sale targets we've got. Those capital is backing us, and a lot of brokers and investors that are actually trying to buy up our pre-sale stocks. So they're saying if we've got any of that remaining, they're wanting to take the rest. So we're well on our way to actually get to our target. But this is why we're turning around to you guys and saying, take part, because personally, I don't want just big investors to be brought on board. I want a lot more people. I want a lot more passion about it. I want the word to get out, and that's exactly what we all about. And people like you that are in games development, these are you're my key customer. So this is what we need to tell you. And if we can get you on board, if you're into investing, even if it's in the general sale, then that's what we want. We need you to come and take part.
Okay, you said it ends next Tuesday at 2?
Sorry?
You said it ends next Tuesday at 2?
Yeah, next Tuesday at 2 p.m. GMT, so that is here at morning. 4 in the morning. It's not 4. 6 in the morning.
Well, I live in Kentucky, so that'd be like 9 for me. Yeah.
4 in the morning. 4 in the morning. 4 in the morning.
Okay. All right. Cool.
It's been very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a programmer. I do blockchain development. I do web app development. I do game development, Unity gaming. But I've been coding since I was 8.
Can you see this?
Go ahead.
You'll understand why when I've done it.
Yeah, so I've been coding for a while. I got into I first heard about Bitcoin when I was in high school. I was mining through college, and then I started doing smart contract development. And that's basically what I do now. I own a consulting company. We got some blockchain engineers. It's half blockchain stuff, half web app stuff. Because most of my stuff is still in the web app domain. But we're increasingly getting more blockchain contracts, and I'm really heavy with Neo. Work with the city of Zion and stuff like that. And that's so I'm just going to these conferences, networking, trying to figure it out. But I appreciate your time, bro.
Thanks all.
No problem. I'm going to be sending out emails tonight, so I'll
sure.
Yeah.
Let me know.
Thank you.
I invited this thing 2 days ago. That was my card box. Awesome.
Hold it up. Somebody take a picture of it.
How you doing, Steven?
All right, guys, take care. Good luck.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jerome.
Nice to meet you.
Raj, nice to meet you. So tell me about Algebraics.
So Algebraics is a permission-based marketing and advertising platform that allows advertisers and users to be able to directly communicate. So
They're like lower bids for ads and stuff like that?
Well, something like that, but you get paid to essentially watch ads. So if you're interested in certain things, well, you're getting some of your time or your attention, you should be compensated for that because that's your property.
Right.
Your time is your property.
Right.
So what we do is we have an application that's going to have essentially a vault that holds personalized data, different types of preferences, different types of information you're looking to have. You can share that anonymously, and then our platform allows advertisers or publishers or content creators to query that in an aggregated form, whereas they find something that, oh, you're going to be interested, you fit our demographic, here's your ad, or here's your product, or here's your service, or here's your content. And if you want to watch it, you're going to get paid for your time. So they pay you to watch what they have.
So it's like hyper-targeted advertising.
They very much do. You know, for the advertiser, it's great because, one, they get somebody very interested in what they're fitting their demographic, so they've got captive audience.
And they lower their costs
because
they're
real.
Yeah.
Well, the biggest thing is
that
it's
is
a real
the biggest
person.
thing. The pie they're spending on advertising should go down.
Should go down, yeah, with higher ROI because it's more targeted.
Oh,
Gotcha.
right now, ad spend on the internet, like for Google, 40% of that's bots.
Yeah.
And so if they can straight just that,
yeah,
that's
multiple hundreds of millions.
Absolutely.
All right, awesome. Are you in pre-sale or anything right now?
We are doing a pre-sale right now through SAFT agreements for accredited investors only. We're not doing any type of public ICO. We find that the easiest way for end users to participate is join the app, start getting paid.
Okay, so is it a mobile app, web app?
It's a mobile app right now. We also are doing a web app. Part of the web app will come out very similar time as the mobile app. So right here's the mobile app on Android.
Okay.
Here's a couple of surveys. Here's some video content, and if I click that right there, I have the opportunity to. Wi-Fi is a little slow here.
Yeah, well, Wi-Fi is down right now, actually.
Oh, well, then that's probably why it's popping right up. So you actually get paid to either view it or share it, or both. And so if you wanted to share it to your friends, hey, check this out, you get paid for what you're sharing. So kind of like an affiliate system where they could come on, then they would get paid as well for viewing it and sharing.
Nice. Okay.
But it has its, just like any other type of cryptocurrency wallets. You've got your balance and whatnot. You're able to send, receive, change your profile, hide your profile, share your profile, share just for attributes of your profile. So it's going to be very granular control for the end user.
Nice. What was I going to ask? Oh, so if is there any incentive, like if it gets shown an ad and I decide I want to buy that product?
We're looking to complete that loop for the advertisers. Going to see what's the best process for them to be able to say, is it a coupon? Is it to directly buy it online if they've got distribution online? So there's a number of different ways that they can handle that. And so right now we're feeling out directly from advertisers to make that happen, because that's ultimately where we want to get to. Where here I advertise you this power drill, you're like, awesome, thank you. Now I want to buy that power drill, and you take your Alex you just earned it over the course of all this time you've already watched. You can take all of that, buy your power drill directly through our application.
Nice. Yeah, I'm excited to see what you guys do. I think that.
Well, please sign up for our closed beta. It's right now at algebraics.io. You can go on there, sign up, and you'll get an email with a download link to whatever platform you have.
Okay, cool, bro. Appreciate it. Also, I'm a blockchain developer myself, and I own a consulting company, and so I specialize in web apps. And with the DApp, or whatever. So if you guys need any help, yes,
absolutely.
All right, I'm sending out emails tonight, so I'll put it in the header. Awesome, bro. And where are you based?
Austin, Texas.
Austin, Texas. All right, cool. All right, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm really. Yeah, this is some disruption based stuff right here.
I think so.
Yeah. All right, bro. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you. cold storage coins.
Hey guys, I just mind it for a little while.
Perfect, thank you.
When,
How you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm Brittany.
Hi, Brittany. I'm Jerome. Nice to meet you. Well, tell me about your cold storage coins.
Yeah, so these are cold storage coins, so you can load them with Bitcoin, and then if you turn it over, you have the public ledger right here.
Okay.
And then on the back, once you fill that off and you load it, you have your private ledger.
Gotcha.
But the cool thing about these is they're also precious metals. So
okay.
so a lot
Gold,
of people in
bronze.
crypto world got into it right because of
Yeah,
monetary policy.
that was like
exactly.
I invested in precious metals before I got into crypto.
Exactly. So these are like the original mint we did were just precious metals.
Nice.
And they're really cool. They have these are personalized engravings. John Galt right there. So we kind of take the best of both worlds, right? So you get this little token that's a precious metal, but it also has Bitcoin, or you get Litecoin, Ethereum online, and other currency or other
Okay. And what are the prices for these?
So online you get them for $29.
Okay. And are these ounces?
These are an ounce. Yeah.
Okay. And you got silver, gold, and bronze.
And this one is actually gold plated, so it is copper, but with the.
Oh, okay. Cool. You selling them right now?
We're not selling them here because there's weird regulations as far as what you have to claim when you sell these at conventions. So we are not selling them here. We are selling them online at coins.com.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
It was so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well, Brittany. All right.
I just US. I don't know. What do you think? I'm noticing a little bit more.
That goes okay.
It's only, I think, 50 registered.
All right. What do we want to watch?
You got mint? I got some?
Yeah, go for it.
So what are you guys doing?
We're a law firm.
You're a law firm.
We're a law firm. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. I'm based out of...
Someone ambushed me like this before. I'm not a lawyer. I market our digital currency and blockchain practice. Okay. It's our marketing department.
And where are you based?
We have 10 offices.
Okay.
On the West Coast, we're in San Francisco, Menlo Park, and LA. I'm personally based in Boston.
Gotcha. Okay. Cool. So are you helping like companies that want to start like dApps or ICOs or what?
Yep.
Okay.
So we have about 40 lawyers in our practice.
Okay.
We're doing work with clients really all throughout the ecosystem of cryptocurrency and blockchain. We're helping clients do ICOs and sales. We're helping with post-ICO work for people that come to us after they've already done something. We're helping crypto hedge funds, people setting up Bitcoin ATMs, just straight blockchain technology companies with corporate advice, setting up corporate structure, M&A, more traditional fundraising like a Series C or Series A.
Nice.
Doing it all.
Nice. You got a business card?
My card.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, we'll probably be talking to you. We're launching an ICO here in a couple months. So.
What's your plan?
So we're going to the All Black Crypto Conference in Atlanta in May. Yeah, and so we have this platform called Jarvis, and basically we're doing the platform for financial research. And so, for example, like I'm a blockchain developer. One of the dApps we're gonna put on there is an auto trader, and then we're gonna put like a signal trader and long positions, short positions. And basically using the Jarvis token to interact with these different dApps. So for one thing, we like let's say you want to get into like the marijuana stocks, right? But you don't know who to talk to. So you can go on the platform, use one of the dApps, actually talk to somebody who is in that space, and then like
connecting people.
Yeah, connect with people and trading information. So you know, some people pay for like the stock newsletters.
Right.
Yeah.
You're gonna pay to
tokenize.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, I'll definitely take a little all the freebies.
Yeah, this is the material on our practices that were kind of relevant here.
Okay.
So we have blog information here.
What is this? Is that a coloring book?
It is, yeah. After it.
Gotta get the coloring book.
It's the best.
And the mints. Oh, I love the freebies. All right, awesome. Well, thank you, Lindsay.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Oh no.
Oh no.
Do you have office in New York?
We do.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. All right. Thank you, man.
Oh wait, that place. You'd stick out with a sore thumb. They'd love to have you. You'd have the most charisma in the room. Right? You cannot replicate you in person.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's your name?
Carly.
Carly. I'm Jerome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Tell me about your platform.
Questions. Travis.
How you doing?
Man.
Tell me about your platform.
ARC is an interoperable blockchain platform.
Okay.
Right now, you can connect to any blockchain in the world using ARC. Absolutely anything. And that's our basis, that's our foundation for what we're trying to push for push-button blockchains. We're going to be the WordPress of the blockchain.
WordPress of the blockchain world. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So, and is this token is it a token in and of itself, or are you just using the blockchain aspect?
There's a token on our
Okay.
We're up and running. Everything's good.
Are you
the best thing push-button blockchains are for right now is for like all these companies, all these startups right now, they're building on top of Ethereum. They want to ERC20 tokens because they will build their blockchain in the future when you can have your blockchain now.
Gotcha.
And you're not built on top of something else that could fail. And clearly is slowing down because they'll run parallel with the ARC chain. You won't be on top of the ARC chain, but your own blockchain. At any point in time you wanted to step in and use another module that we built, like an ARC VM or IPFS module. All you do is fork your code over, and you can run that.
Nice. Nice. So, are you in a pre-sale or anything?
Absolutely not. We have been up and running since March 21st, 2017. We are traded on all major exchanges. We were the first DPoS coin to ever be integrated into Ledger. Hardware wallets. We're actually Ledger partners. We are also the only Ledger coin in the world that doesn't use Ledger themselves. You can use the ARC wallet to connect to your Ledger wallet.
Got you. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to check you guys out. And what was your name? Travis?
Travis.
All right, it was nice to meet you, Travis.
Nice
Thank
to meet
you. All right, let's go ahead and get my refreshments real quick. I'm tired, I'm hungry. All right, put that right there. All right. Oh no. All right. Dub tokens. All right. Let's see. So many people. What do I want to see first? I think I want to head over to the amphitheater and go see some of the talks. But let's see who else is over here first. Anybody I want to talk to right this second? Oh, Polymath is here. Cool. see. Let's see what we got. Ah, there's food. Fresh meats, etc., etc. Excuse me, sir. Get some bagels.
Yes.
All right. Sorry about that. Got to be a fatty. All right. I'm looking to see who's here. Going booth to booth. It's kind of getting tedious, so I'm gonna find who the cool people are. Poet.
Yep.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good, thanks.
Yeah. So I know all about Poet, but people on my stream might not. So go ahead and first of all, introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, sure. How's it going? My name's Max.
Max, nice to meet you, Max.
From Poet.
Yeah.
What is this? What are you filming for? Is this just
I have a YouTube channel.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So with Poet, we're building kind of a shared universal registry.
Yeah, so we just heard him
track kind of licensing information, attribution,
Yeah.
So that was.
And you guys, I know you guys are on. What all exchanges are you on? I know you're on Binance. That's all. That's what I use.
Yeah, you can Poet's on Binance.
So yeah, he's my coworker. He works for BTC.
Okay. Cool. How long have you guys been out?
So the original platform was actually conceptualized October 2016. The initial alpha was released around May or June. Our token launch was in August. We just released the beta version of our node a couple months ago for Frost API, which is a really simple API to integrate code across the web. And then our WordPress plugin. You can actually download the zip file in our GitHub repo, but it should be accepted into the WordPress store soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I have to check that out. All right, thanks. Yeah, thanks, guys. Thanks. Max.
Max, yeah.
Right. Cool. You got a business card?
Yeah, that's Jared CEO, graphic stickers.
Cool. All right, it's free goodies.
So, how do we?
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it. How can I find your YouTube channel?
Yeah. So, my name is.
So that's not available yet. So once we're building out.
My channel name is just my name.
That's a few months.
Can you hold this for a second? For me?
Are we live?
Yeah, you're live.
Oh, we're live.
Unfortunately,
Live with Poet.
Keep on building it. Yeah, and I like the idea behind it and all that. So what happened So I work for BTC.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
The channel name is my name, but if you literally just search my name on YouTube, I'm the only Jerome on YouTube. So.
Cool.
All right, appreciate it, bro.
There you go.
All good. So yeah, we're still working very close.
Oh, can I get a shirt?
Yeah, go for it. Mediums, larges are right there.
Excuse me, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Swag.
Are you guys planning on coming and visiting us again soon?
Yeah, actually, I'll be there closer here.
Got gift coin. Huh. How you doing, bro?
Good, how are you?
Good. Let me put this down. What is this?
So it's a decentralized location data market.
Okay.
It's the blockchain infrastructure for the trade of any data related to where you are. So whenever you use Google Maps, you generate a ton of location data when you use that.
Wow.
There's a huge market for that. Marketers, advertisers, hedge funds, real estate companies. All buy that data.
I almost took a contract for Uber. I'm a software developer.
Oh, cool.
And they were working on a project called Crystal Ball, which is predictive analytics on the Uber system. So, for example, based off past data, they could like put a block in China, and they could tell like how many rides they're going to get that day, where based off what the average duration of the rides are going to be, et cetera, et cetera. So is that like kind of stuff that you're trying to do?
Yeah, so you can do that with location data based on movements, right? So if there's always this many people in this area, and you have historical data, then you can say, you could reallocate your resources to that area and expect how many drivers should you have in that area, and the expected return. Yeah, so that's what you can do with it. You can do that with the data. Yeah.
So, are you marketing this to developers or to businesses, or both?
Both. So if you have an app that you develop, you can put in our software, and we get users consent, collect data from your app, and then monetize it for you, give you a revenue.
Gotcha.
Without ads.
Gotcha. And who are the people buying the data?
Big marketers, advertisers, companies like Uber who need more data.
Okay. And so, is this data when you're pulling up the data? Can you tell that it's me, or is that part anonymous?
It's all anonymous.
Okay.
Just a randomized device ID.
Okay. Okay. So this is from this is data from your platform?
Yeah, this is data that comes from our apps. Not our apps, but apps with our software. Like other location-based apps, like weather apps and travel apps.
Okay.
This is the Trump inauguration. You can see people gathering, and then the Women's March is the following day. The Women's March actually had 3 times as many attendees in the national mall area.
Gotcha.
So that's just some of the example of what we can derive.
Okay. Cool. And what was your name again? Ben. Okay. Cool. Awesome. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, man. Thanks for coming by.
Are you you doing pre-sale or anything?
Yeah, we're doing private sale right now.
Only accredited investors.
Not accredited. It's non-US though.
So is the app is it in development?
Okay. All right, bro. Thanks.
Yeah, man. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, no problem. What are you planning on going on exchanges?
We can't say that. But
Gotcha.
yeah, potentially in the next few months we'll be on.
Gotcha. All right, bro. Thank you.
So
I knew it was a matter of time. There's gonna make Tinder on the blockchain. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
What's your name?
Dan.
Dan?
Yeah.
I'm Jerome Parker.
Jerome, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Tell me about Ponder. Pondering about Ponder.
Pondering about Ponder. So Ponder is. Are you recording me right now?
We're live.
Oh, awesome! Fantastic. Okay, so I'll tell you about Ponder. So Ponder's a platform that allows for human recommendations to be made. Okay. And so the first version of it we're launching, and it's actually live now with over 70,000 users, is a matchmaking app.
Okay.
So essentially what you have is you have matchmakers and you have people who are dating. And the people who are matchmakers get to play matchmaker, so you get some gamification.
Okay.
The way they do that is making recommendations for people. And then if it's a successful match, both the people who decide to go out on a date have to pay, and the person who made the successful match, they also get paid.
Gotcha.
So there's an economy within the app, and we've kind of included the gamification of financial rewards to kind of drive that behavior.
So how do you ensure that people are actually going to pay once they get the match?
So when they get the match, to be able to then chat with the other person to set up their date, they have to pay at that point.
Okay.
So it's kind of pay to play. Like you don't have to pay until you find that match that you really want.
Gotcha.
To actually talk to that person.
Gotcha. And I'm assuming you see like little snippet of what they.
Yep.
Okay.
Of who that person is and making those recommendations. And it's great because most dating apps, once someone has found someone,
they don't return.
They don't come back. Here we have that gamification. What we found with the human recommendations is that it's a really powerful tool to improve, in the case of dating, it improves the success rate. So we're now applying that to job search, we're applying it to business matches. So the engine and platform we have behind this is actually going to work in a bunch of different other categories as well.
So do you plan on forever keeping it human backed, or you plan on after a certain amount of data you're going to try to go the AI route?
So there's a combination of both going on. For the selections that you're presented that you get to choose from in a minute.
Yeah. Are you doing a pre-sale or anything right now?
So we're in our active sale right now. We started on February 14th.
Okay.
It runs till April 20th.
Okay.
And things are going gangbusters. So we
I like
kicked
those
off on
dates.
Valentine's Day. You always see the panda around, so it's hard to miss.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Awesome, bro.
Thanks for coming by.
No problem. Are you going to be on exchanges?
We can't comment on that.
Can't comment. Yeah. Okay.
So.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, bro.
Take care. Yeah.
Go ahead and hit that like button. I know y'all watching this. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Ether Party. YouTube. We're live right now. I know, right? My brother does Twitch. I decided to go to YouTube. So, yeah, tell me about yourself. What's your name?
Matt Lockyer.
Matt Lockyer, Jerome Parker. Nice to meet you.
So, Patrick.
Patrick, nice to meet you, Jerome.
VanBex Group has been consulting in the blockchain space since 2013. We launched an in-house product, Ether Party, which lets any business launch token, crowd sale contracts, digital assets, non-fungible tokens. Mainnet launch is coming in about a month. VanBex Ventures over here is our incubator and fund. So basically, we're funding early stage projects, and then we're passing them back to VanBex Group that has all the expertise in marketing and PR.
Nice. Okay, so you got a little cross thing going on. Okay.
Yeah, it all started with VanBex Group, and basically now we got the incubator and fund, and we've got our in-house product tool that takes the pressure off the development aspects, right?
Okay, yeah. Oh, user friendly. So, wait, is it like drag? Yeah, WYSIWYG. Yeah, WYSIWYG. Nice.
Exactly. So our idea is basically to get a lot of the essential business logic that businesses need into our tool so that it's composable. You can manage even across blockchains. So different blockchains. Right now we do Ether Party, and we have a partnership with Rootstock to do smart Bitcoin and settlement on Bitcoin.
Nice. Do you plan on doing Neo?
It's whatever platform is kind of like the most kind of hot. And I don't know. Like, have you guys talked about Neo internally?
Yes, we've thought about many different blockchains out there. We're not set on exactly which ones. It really depends on the user feedback that we get, which ones people want. There's others that are way easier to integrate with right now that are lowest hanging fruit that we will be moving on.
So mainly Rootstock because it's running the EVM, and so we can kind of just put all the contracts over there. So it's the same EVM, and there's other blockchains coming out that will run the EVM too, but just different settlement currencies like stable coins like Koala and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, we really just want to go after the low-hanging fruit, and we'll go where people tell us to go.
Nice. All right, man. Yeah, that's exciting. I'm gonna etherparty.io. Let me get some business cards. You got business cards?
Yeah, we got all our marketing stuff here, so you can reach out to us. You can sign up. We're doing, if you want to leave your name and email, we're doing a giveaway for Ether Party's token Fuel.
Okay.
And you can join our Telegram with that link.
All right, cool. Let me put this down.
Oh, those are sick.
All right. All right, thanks, bro. What was your name again?
Take a picture of you, Tagman?
Yeah.
What are you working on?
So this project, Jarvis, is it's a platform for financial research and arbitration. So, like for example, right, one thing to do. Let's say you want to get into like marijuana stock, right?
Yeah.
You have no idea who to talk to. You don't know where to start.
You don't have a network. You don't curated intelligence.
Right.
Yeah.
So you can go on the platform on one of the dApps and, like, for example, it'll hook you up with somebody who's an expert in the in the marijuana stock industry, right? And there's a thing of FQ, financial quotient. So you like tracking how these people are doing that are giving out the advice. So like if you decide to talk to this one dude and he gives you some really shitty stock picks.
Yeah.
Then that's going to reflect on the blockchain on
so
his
it's kind of a
performance.
bit like social clout, but just like in like how good is this guy? at
Yeah,
picks?
and
Okay.
because investing is a very emotional driven thing, even though it should be mostly logic based, but we're humans. So, to help out with that, we want to build a platform of trust, the centralized trust.
Love it. Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, and then also one of the other things we're doing is, like, for example, I wrote an auto trader, so we're gonna put an auto trader dApp on the platform, signal trading. So we're building a platform around financial intelligence.
Cool. Yeah, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too,
Yeah,
bro.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you, bro.
Take care.
You too. Oh, sorry. All right. All right. Let's see. Charles said, "Hey, I got our passes upgraded. Woo, got our pass upgraded. We got the media pass. All right, I'm gonna go grab my media pass. If you guys are on Telegram, Discord, anything like that, go ahead and share this. Share this to your Discord pages, your Telegram pages. It's today and tomorrow. Here in a little bit, I'm about to go over and sit down for the talks. You guys can see some of the talks. Most of the good talks are actually tomorrow, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go meet my partner real quick. Got upgrades to our passes. We got media passes now. So I'm headed over to the media room. And then I'm going to head over to the amphitheater. And we can start looking at some of these talks. And remember, guys, if you guys want me to go to a conference, just put it in the comments below. Put it in the comments where you want me to go. Drop a link to the event page or whatnot. I'll check it out. I'll go. I mean, I do this for you guys. All right, there he is. Cool. All right.
And when a token is security,
so we're strong on the brand. So what we do is we'll always, program and
which is a particular interest to me in my field. These laws also have implications for other communities, such as consultants, bankers, and also lawyers and accountants. And so these are things that are very important to keep in mind when we're moving into this space. In this space, my firm is involved in a variety of areas, including private cryptocurrency funds. We're also advising on a number of regulated token offerings. We're doing some interesting policy work now on the possibility of retail registered funds, which, by the way, won't be happening in 2018. We're also doing a variety of litigation matters, and we're also experts in the money transmission laws applicable to the space. On utility tokens, given the very clear statements that came out of the monthly cease and desist order, and also from SEC Chairman Clayton, we take a position that every token that's sold has a rebuttable consumption that it is a security. Which leads to open a question: what do you do with all the token sales that have already happened? So, and the answer to that question is it's not good.
And I'll just share
the
our
SEC
experience
can actually seek disgorgement.
is we don't sell
There's also
crypto,
probably
we sell
a decision. And you have a number of people saying, well, SEC, what do you do? Well, the SEC doesn't have the final say because each time that there's a violation of securities laws, often it is coupled with a variety of private claims that can also be led. So in the regulated token space, there are basically three pathways. And these pathways, none of them are very good. There's regulation of crowdfunding, A+, and 506C. Regulation of crowdfunding limits you to a fundraise $1 million a year and doesn't preempt any of the state's bylaws. A plus gives you $50 million a year, but you have to get pre-approval from the SEC. You have to audit and finance, which often doesn't make sense for a startup. And also, it's very expensive from a legal standpoint, and there is no guarantee that the SEC is going to approve any of the A-plus offerings that are present before it. So that's 506C, unlimited in terms of the amount of capital you can raise, but it sticks you with restricted tokens. In terms of transferability, people are talking about all kinds of rest for the amendment from the law in Rule 144. But Rule 144 has a lot of catches. Don't anticipate that your 506C token is going to be able to trade like what we're seeing.
You want to go upgrade our badges?
Yeah.
Additionally,
you can probably just. I was just going to leave my.
Oh yeah.
Okay. System, despite marketing statements to the contrary, that has been approved by the SEC. So even if you spend all this money to create a regulated token offering, there's no guarantee that it's going to be an exchange.
So, Joy Token is it's a token around like indie game development.
Oh, fun!
And they need help with web. They got their mobile app, and they need help with their web app.
Oh, okay.
And that might be a little opportunity. We got a couple web developers in the group. Might be able to do something with that.
Consulting. We're waiting. Oh,
okay.
We can check back.
Okay.
We'll come back in a bit. No worries. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to spend most of my time in the media room.
Okay.
Just meeting kind of like the influencers in the space.
Yeah. I've been going to booth talking to everybody.
So we're going to get upgraded to VIP and media. So that'll be nice too.
Cool.
Yeah, go forth and prosper. We also have a conference coming up. Don't forget in
the crypto conference. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, I was telling people.
Yeah.
There's I can't remember the name. I got the card, but there's a law firm up there. And they're doing some real interesting stuff. They got 10 offices across the country.
Oh, nice.
And they got one in Boston. I think the one nearest us is in Boston. And definitely want to, possibly talk to them.
Yeah, and let me give you this too. From the business development side, it's always good to have the media angle. People just love media. I don't know why. But here are some articles that I wrote recently. So this one is storage.
Okay.
So that's the BuzzFeed article for storage.
Okay.
And then this is the one for salt that I put out. So,
nice.
Just so you can give examples and stuff.
Okay, for sure.
Cool. Well, go enjoy yourself.
All right, bro. Let me go grab my battery pack real quick.
Today I want to talk more about the technical aspects that founders think about a lot of people projects. So most of you know that the concept of ICOs really gains speed.
All right, we're going to head over to the amphitheater.
Extremely powerful platform to build on top of. But it also comes with several.
Hey, Charles, do me a favor. I got to run to the bathroom real quick. Can you just hold this for a few minutes? I'm streaming.
Ya me fui yo por ahí, digo, a ver, güey, nomás.
Hey, can you hear me? Good. I just got upgraded to the press pass, so that should be interesting. You know? Yeah. It's called TokenFest in San Francisco. So yeah, it's I should take some pictures or whatever so we can get some ideas in terms of how we want to do it. They rented out the Palace of the Fine Arts. I don't know if you've ever heard of that facility. Yeah. Let me see. Is that camera on? Yeah, I mean, this is the venue that they have. So you're gonna see it, and then you walk in. If you go, like, this is the media area, and then if you walk in, they've done a massive exhibit hall. So you can, I don't know if you can see, it goes like all the way. So basically, like, this is like a science museum, I think, or something like that. And they've done this like really big exhibit hall. Yeah, so there's that. And then upstairs, there's like a VIP lounge area that they've got set up, and then, yeah, all that sort of jazz. Yeah. Yeah, it's got the columns and all that. Yeah. So, I mean, they got 2,000-3,000 people showed up here, so there's no reason why we can't do the same in Atlanta. Yeah, I think. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, it's fine. I think I've been waiting on Teresa to get back to us. I don't know what's going on with her. I think at this point we just move forward with what we've got. You know? Thanks. Yeah. Because we can't wait.
All right, cool. Got the battery pack going. All right, let's go to the amphitheater. La 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 la. All right, on way to the amphitheater. All right, well, it seems to be nobody in here. see.
London by Southwest. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, there's the hot water.
So, I really want to look for this, like a coat that I can wear today. So, yeah, I can order. Yeah. Some silly reason. I
All right.
And then it's like,
Some of that chai spice.
and that's
All right. I don't know why ain't nobody in here. A lot of the good stuff's gonna be tomorrow. All right. All right. All right. All right. I guess we'll just go back to the booths then. Go back to the booths and talk to people. Yes, I think we need. Oh, that hot water just spilled on my hand. That burned a little bit. All right, all right, all right. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who do we talk to first? Maybe I'll just go down the line this way. All right. Okay, seems to be nobody here. Photon, how you doing? I'm good. You want to tell me about Photon?
Not on camera, sorry.
Oh, not on camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just not the best person to talk about it, like on camera.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Sorry.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm doing a live stream, so I'm gonna.
Yeah.
How you doing? Apix. Tell me about Apix.
So, Epix is a social media platform based on blockchain.
Okay.
And did you hear of Steemit?
Yes.
Yes. And it's based on that technology.
Okay. Based on Steemit. Okay. Cool. Cool.
It's on top of the Steem blockchain. And we are a social media app for pictures and videos similar to Instagram. Yeah. We can fly with you if you want to. And yeah, we have a reward pool and the users get rewarded for the content, just like Steam.
Okay, so when they get rewarded, are they getting rewarded based on number of views?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the likes, on the comments,
Okay.
something like that.
Do you have a live stream functionality?
And that's it. Very easy. We're working on that.
We're working on it. Okay.
It's under.
Okay. Are you you having a token sale or?
Yeah, actually our ICO starts on the 28th this month.
Okay.
And it's going on for 4 weeks.
Okay. Cool.
We had already had our pre-sale in December, and our tokens were sold out in under 30 minutes.
Nice.
So we're looking forward.
Yeah, the content management system, the content systems are really. Yeah, I think they're going to take off. What are these?
Oh no, it's just for
Okay.
for technology back there.
I was.
Sorry.
No, I mean I was just.
Just take a card with you,
Okay.
so you can
Cool.
contact us anytime. You can take a flyer with you.
I think I got one.
Did. Okay.
And where are you based?
Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
We're from Germany actually, but we're based in Switzerland.
Gotcha. Nice. Cool. Can I get a shirt? Or do you have any? Tomorrow? Tomorrow?
Because
All
we
right.
only have a few here today, and tomorrow we're giving them out. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You take a sticker with you, or the round ones, the black ones.
Awesome.
With our name on it. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
No problem.
And where's your website?
Our website is here on the flyer. It's epix.com.
Okay.
And you can always visit us on our Facebook page, Twitter, and we have a Telegram group with over 17,000 members.
Okay.
So you can ask questions there, and yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye. How you doing? What's your name? Fabio?
Fabio, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Tell me about your system.
Yeah, okay. LatoX is a platform that helps financial institutions to create their tokens and smart contracts. We are helping them to bring the traditional ecosystem into blockchain. Imagine that you are an investment bank, you are issuing your own bond, and we create a token that represents this bond.
Gotcha.
And we have a platform to trade this globally. It's a home broker, and this home broker have all the capabilities as a stock exchange have, and we could help this financial institution to trade globally. This is what we are doing.
And you're based out of Sao Paulo?
We have 3 jurisdictions that we are. We are in Brazil, we are here in US, and we are in Europe in Estonia.
Nice. Are you guys doing ICO?
No, we are not doing ICO. Our focus is in traditional instruments of capital markets. Bonds, equities, debts, anything that we already have trading globally.
Gotcha. So you're digitizing traditional assets.
Yes. Digitizing, creating tokens, smart contracts help them to come up in blockchain, stop to discuss the technology, and start to have all the benefits that technology is putting via application. Help them to create the things inside blockchain and make available to any investors, not only a person and institution investors could trade and buy and sell these traditional assets through blockchain.
Nice. All right, bro. CFO, CEO. You're the CEO.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. Nice. All right, cool. It was nice to meet you, Fabio.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bro.
We're also building our own virtual machine where you can write in mainstream programming like C, C++, Rust. Okay. So that'll be really good. Right now, most of our contracts are written in Solidity.
Yeah. So I do small contract development. So yeah.
Snake your trapeze.
Yeah.
We also have a lot more competition.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So what's the transaction rate and all that kind of stuff?
It's twice Ethereum.
Okay.
Capable of handling twice as much as Ethereum right now. And we also built a decentralized governance protocol. So that way you could essentially, if you feel the block size is growing and you want to allow more transactions, you could submit a proposal to the network so that way you could go from 2 to 4 megabytes per block.
I see.
And you don't have to fork the network in the same way where everyone has to coordinate. It upgrades the whole network seamlessly.
Got it. Oh, so it's built within the protocols, as you're saying. Okay. And is it so I guess for that governance, I would need to own huge tokens to partake in that. Okay. How many how many nodes do you guys are
Yeah, so anybody can join the network and be a node and stake in the network. Right now there's 3,300 nodes. You can see them all. There's
Okay. And it's and then you said that if I want to develop on it, do I have to create my own EVM or you guys?
We forked the EVM to put it on top of Quantum, and we built an account abstraction layer. So because we use a version of Bitcoin for the blockchain layer.
Okay. Use a version of Bitcoin. So you.
But we put proof of stake in.
Okay.
So it's the UTXO model,
Okay,
account
got it.
abstraction layer, and then the virtual machine layer. And right now we have the EVM as one of the virtual machines, and we're adding more later.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks.
All right, I came in late. So, what's your name?
I'm John.
John? Nice to meet you, John. You want to tell me about your platform? I heard the last bit of it, but came in late.
So it's a blockchain with proof of stake consensus and smart contracts. So it's a platform.
Okay. And
what's the biggest use case that you're seeing?
yeah, that was the question I was about to ask. What's your biggest use case?
So I think it for an app that needs to be decentralized, since anyone could join the network and be validate transactions, and that's one of the big use cases. So if you want decentralization, I believe quantum is the way to go. And also for IoT devices. So if you're doing something with IoT devices, especially in low bandwidth environments, you want a protocol that's pretty light. So since we use the UTXO model, we already have the SPV protocol, which is the simple payment verification. And instead of downloading the whole node, you could just download the block headers.
Gotcha. Okay. Cool. And you okay? Nice. All right. I heard everything else, so that was my question. Thanks. Oh, I'm sorry.
Also, you can make a Bitcoin backed security. Yes. Additionally, it will be backed by another Bitcoin. So if for some reason if they will fail, you will get back value.
How you doing? What's your name?
I'm Valerie.
Valerie. Hi, I'm Jerome. What is your platform? Or what is it? I like it.
We are creating a blockchain system,
Okay.
and this blockchain contains
How about yourself?
decentralized exchange.
Okay.
So basically, it's fast,
What is your goal of the
easy,
show here?
cheaper, and
Okay.
launching in May. So we're gonna have top 10 cryptocurrency, and you can convert them with low commission.
Okay.
So
Cool.
I represent
where are you based out of?
In Russia, St.
Nice. Well, what is this?
It's a card holder, so you can put like credit card or key.
Nice.
It's quite convenient, so not too busy.
Cool.
And this is a charger for our bank.
Are you just giving these away?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I'm streaming. I need that. Thank you. You said you launch in May.
Yes.
Awesome. And what is what's your website?
It's otn.org, so you
you
can
have a
Google
white
this
paper
or
now?
you can go.
Oh,
just-
otn.org.
OTN.
Okay. Nice. All right. Thank you, Valerie. Appreciate it.
Yeah, exactly. Numerous clients here right now. We're going to take something or just talk around and talk to all of our clients here as well. Dash, T0, Polymath, Steven, Simple Faded, Koala, Bodie, Stormax, the list goes on. So, Bitcoin Susie, there's a lot of different clients. A lot. So, and a large range of clients. So, we work with startups and the biggest names in blockchain.
I'm good, man. How you doing?
Wonderful. I'm Dustin. Nice to meet you.
I'm Jerome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Are you familiar with Waxman?
Nope.
So we are a blockchain crypto PR agency. We also specialize in event services. So basically what we do is try to offer our clients who are in the who operate on the blockchain or in the crypto and fintech space, we try to maximize their brand exposure. So basically get them in front of numerous press outlets. But we also do event services. So what that entails is getting these roadmaps together for these top tier events to speak at, such as these. We get them these top tier speaking slots, and we also put on their networking events while at these conferences and get them that brand exposure that they really need.
Nice. Yeah, I heard you saying some of your clients that you work with.
Yes.
So okay, New York and Dublin. Okay.
Yes. We're based out of New York and Dublin and rapidly expanding. So we do a lot.
Nice.
Globally.
What's your website?
Let me give you my card actually.
Yeah, that's better. Cool, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Feel free to take some branded swag. We got some stickers, some mints. These are lovely phone sanitizers here. Got some pens and some card holders in the back of your phone.
Phone sanitizer.
Yeah.
Never. Okay.
Yeah, you spray and wipe it down and sanitize your whole screen for you.
That's cool. All right, man. I appreciate it. I'll probably you're gonna be here tomorrow too, right?
Yes, as well.
Okay. I'll probably have more questions.
Wonderful. And hopefully some more people from our team are here. They're dispersed right now, but they'll be here throughout today and tomorrow. So feel free to ask them any questions as well.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Have you guys seen Bitcoin.com?
I don't think they're here.
Yeah.
They keep it low key.
Yeah.
They keep it low key.
Definitely not low key in Miami.
I did hear about that actually. I heard that Bitcoin and Dash was very. Are you talking about the Miami, the Bitcoin? Yeah.
You guys were involved. You guys helped
Yeah, I
us
know.
get there.
I personally wasn't in charge of that event. My other two colleagues who I work with on the events team were, but yeah.
Just two colleagues?
I'm telling you, we're rapidly expanding. Like, our team has grown just the events team has grown from 3 to 7 in the past 2 weeks. So, like, we're doing big things. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Dustin.
Yes. And we're global, so we have big things.
Chain jelly. We all know about chain jelly. This looks interesting. How you doing? What's your name?
Ilya.
I'm sorry?
Ilya.
Ilya. Tell me about Disciplina.
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 Yeah, it's a Latin word means education and skills. We're creating our own new blockchain from the scratch for needs of HR and education.
Nice.
So it will make it possible to create a new unique ecosystem between HR companies and educational platforms, universities, and so on. So the result will be the possibility of creating a unique digitalized profile of the skills of the person, which is 100% verified. So with every person would be able to have its own profile with all the skills, all the successes of all his life, from the kindergarten to all the years, all his job success and so on. So we'll have our own scoring system inside our blockchain. So that's why we're not using some existing blockchains. We're creating our own new blockchain from the scratch.
Nice.
And we have experienced developers, which was making the core code of Cardano blockchain. So we have a very experienced team, more than 45 people total.
Nice. I see your pre-sale is going on.
Yeah,
What coin do you accept for the pre-sale?
Bitcoins and Ethers right now. Also Litecoin soon. We have developed our own investor panel. So all the person have its own account in the system, so you can send some Ethers, then add some Bitcoins, then add some Litecoins, and it will be stored exactly to you. And after that, you just show us where to send our tokens, to what wallet.
Gotcha. This is okay. Cool. Cool.
And also, everybody have to for sure run the KYC and IML.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Nice. Can I get a shirt?
Yeah, for sure. You can take it.
Is this a large?
This is medium.
Medium.
What size do you need?
Large, please. Thank you, sir.
Large. X large.
Disciplina. ICO ends April 27th.
This large.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. That was pretty cool. Hello. How are you doing? What's your name?
I'm doing well, Silvana.
Silvana is Jerome. Nice to meet you. So, tell me about Finova.
Commercial.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm live right now. Yeah.
I'll see you.
All right. Cool. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Oh, it's all good. I'm patient. I'm from Kentucky. I used to live out here for a while, but I'm from Kentucky. Well,
You like it here?
You know, I love it here. I want to move back.
You have to go to Florida.
Yeah.
Florida is the place to be.
My sister lives in Florida. Yeah.
Where in?
Boca Raton. Yeah. Well, she just moved to Jacksonville, but she lived in Boca. Yeah.
Have you been there?
I haven't. I know. I was out of town when she graduated. Her graduation was a few months ago, and I happened to be out of town. I was but
You'll love it. You'll love it if you like it here. You're gonna love Florida. Sunny, not chilly.
Yeah.
You can actually get in the ocean.
in the ocean, yeah.
You wish, right?
Yeah.
It's part of the deal. I don't know if you want to go ahead and just come around. It'll take 10 minutes. I'm so.
It's all good.
It's like boom right here, and Derek just left. But it was nice seeing you.
It was nice seeing you too.
Are you gonna be here tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
He speaks at 3:45.
3:45. All right, cool.
And he is the best at speaking.
Yeah.
Wall Street Journal everywhere.
Okay,
The
yeah.
guy is the guy.
Cool. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You too. My wife is a saint. All right, we got Hyperledger, we got. Let's see. Cashback coin. What affiliate program? Elements, cashbacks, polymath. They're getting the lunch ready. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell when I go live after lunch. And of course, day 2 tomorrow, you guys will get push notifications if you haven't already. How you doing?
Hi.
Can you tell me about
Perkins Coie. We are a law firm.
your law firm?
Yes.
Okay, based out of.
We have 19 offices worldwide.
Seems like I don't know why I asked law firms where you based out of. Seems like all of you guys got at least 10.
We're headquartered in Seattle.
Okay.
But we have 19 offices.
Okay, so I'm assuming you help people do ICOs, securities, and stuff like that.
So we have a blockchain technology industry group that has been around since about 2013.
Okay.
So in the beginning, we help people with money licensing and exchanges with money licensing and regulatory work. We still do regulatory work, which falls into the ICO category.
Mhm.
But we also advise on a full spectrum of issues.
Nice. Cool. I'm
These are white papers that we have written and published. But you can take this; it's easier.
Okay.
It's all in there on our blog.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. All this is in there.
Yep,
Gotcha. What are these?
So this is like a little thing to hold your phone. You charge it, so it's not on the floor.
Gotcha. Cool. You get like the weirdest little freebies at these things.
I know.
Oh, wow, is this 3, 4? God bless. Cool. Thank you.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. Yeah. Okay.
Got all this swag. I need to put this swag down.
You gotta hop in here, man.
Yeah, bro.
It's a gravity-defying booth. I'm Graham.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Good to meet you, brother. Am I on camera?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
So this is a gravity-defying booth. So if you turn that camera sideways, it literally looks like I'm floating in midair. It's a visual illusion.
Yeah.
So you should hop in, man.
All right. So wow. Cool.
So this is All Public Art is a platform that it exists for visual artists and art collectors to be empowered and to transact. Thank you. All right, take care. She's an artist herself.
Okay.
So
Cool.
Yeah. So basically, we have an ICO right now, and we have a token that's being launched, and the token is designed so that those transactions can be tracked on the blockchain.
Nice.
Yeah.
So are these like people doing anywhere from graffiti art all the way to
fine art, visual arts with straight up like sculptures, paintings, drawings,
digital art too?
Digital art as well. Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah, we're just here to make sure that people are empowered, man.
Yeah, I love it. When's the ICO in?
So the ICO, we're in private pre-sale right now.
Okay.
And then it starts in March. End of March, early April.
Lunches for vendors.
That's okay. It's all right. I'll grab one. He is.
No,
but
I
it's
am.
okay.
But it's all good.
You could be on camera. TokenFest.
How you doing? TokenFest.
Thank you so much. Anyone?
There's vegan, Italian, turkey bacon roast beef.
Thank you. Sorry, man.
Are you also part of this?
No. I'm interviewing people. It's all good. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So basically, this exists for the people.
Yeah.
And since I'm an artist, it's by the people.
Yeah,
right?
I love it.
Yeah, man.
Are you where are you based at?
Based out of Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Yeah, and also to answer your question earlier, so the token sale, it officially starts end of March, early April, and it will end like end of May.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. You doing bonuses?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Also, here's the structure right here. Did
Nice.
you grab one?
No, I had it.
And if you're interested in hopping into private pre-sale, then there's some information I can give you regarding that.
Yeah, I am interested.
Cool.
Yeah, do you have a business card?
I do, man. I do.
Yeah. I'm sending out a ton, and also I'm a blockchain developer myself.
Okay.
So I'm looking if anybody, if you guys ever need any help or anything, I'll send out information.
Yeah, send me the info.
Yeah.
Please do. Please do. Yeah.
Yeah, and you said you're based out in LA. I got family out in LA, so it would be nothing for me to come down.
Beautiful.
For a week or two.
You based up here?
Yeah. All right, bro. Thanks. What was your name again?
Graham.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro.
Likewise, man.
Oh no.
Take that, man. It's all good.
All right, go. ID chain.
Yes.
Can you tell me about ID chain?
So we are you recording?
We're live.
You're live?
Yeah, we're live on YouTube.
I'm now the spokesperson of the company, so
okay.
maybe we can have the official spokesperson come back.
Okay, we'll be back later today.
Probably 2 minutes.
Okay,
yeah.
We'll do. Thank you. Proof of witness, blockchain for verification. All right, you want to tell me about that?
Do you make a video?
We're live, actually. I'm streaming.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. So this is the way how you can verify anything you like. For example, you want to go for Dubai and you select the best hotel on the booking.com, but you don't know that on the right and the left of the hotel there could be a construction process and your holiday with your family will be squeezed. So you use the service, you call to the verifier or use the app, you ask somebody to check whether there's a construction on the left and the right of the hotel. And the person arises, like Uber taxi driver. Same story, you want to buy miners from Dubai and your seller tells you it has a lot of miners on the warehouse, but you don't actually know before paying this seller that these miners, they actually exist. And there's no scam. So we do have a huge community. We have local agents that you can use, and it will cost you only $10.
Okay. All right. Cool. So anything from
you can verify events, deals, people, objects.
Okay. Cool.
Just the system will find the closest verifier who is able to do this job, and this verifier is earning money. So it's like Uber taxi driver. They are registered in the system to earn money. So money by walking means they walk and they earn money, providing you with the exact information you need.
So anybody can be a verifier?
Anyone can be a verifier. Anyone, yeah. We got now, clients from real estate companies in Miami here. They pay us because Chinese guys, they don't fly to Miami, but they buy houses in Miami, and they don't believe the real estate company data they provided to Chinese. So we are the third party who tries to fix this miscommunication in the business area on the global.
Nice. Y'all cool. You guys doing a token sale. All right, cool, yeah.
We're not a token sale. We don't need money. We did the applications, we did the project. So everything works now in Moscow and London. We're now open the company in Delaware. So we're now building the community. Start operations.
Okay, cool. Can I have one of your business cards?
Yeah, please.
And you're the CEO?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, cool. I'm sending out a bunch of emails tonight, and I'll be sure to put in the header, who I am and whatnot. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Oh boy. Let's see. Check out Ash Elements booth. All right, let's head over to Ash Elements. That's what I'm talking about. Get the users tell me what they want to see. All right. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry about that. All right, Ash Elements. I saw them over here somewhere. Ash Elements. Ah, here we go. Ash Elements. Hi guys, how you doing?
Good. It's the cameraman. We're Goodman. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Good. Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm live on YouTube, and they asked me to come by and see you guys.
On YouTube, and I'm being rude. I was making sure that I didn't have any meetings. Hey, I'm
It's all
Tom.
good.
Virtual Shake. How you doing?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Yeah, my guys on here asked me to come check you guys out, so here to give the people what they want.
Well, welcome. I'm Tom Kren. I'm the founder and CEO of Ash Elements. Ash Elements is an environmental remediation play on the blockchain. Did you know that coal ash has rare earth elements in it? Actually, there's 17.
I'm from Kentucky. Yeah, I know. I live near Eastern Kentucky too.
Right.
So, yeah.
Right. So there are 17 rare earth elements in coal ash. Right now, it's currently worth $763 a ton. A ton. That's more valuable than gold ore from South Africa. But the problem is the technology isn't there to extract it. So what we're doing is going out and looking at the best value basins and saying, we will take that basin and give you value today that can be used to remediate it. So when the technology in the future is ready, we will come back in, excavate, line, re-intern, and ensure that groundwater and contamination is remediated. Done.
So are you on this? Are you working with municipalities on this level?
We just it's not public, but we've just signed our first basin with a municipality.
Nice. Let me get you information because I actually I work a lot with the General Assembly in Kentucky, the state. State.
That's perfect because Appalachian grade, right up through that range, they have the best. They have the best ass. Where what we offer is 70% of all the tokens go to the basin holder.
Okay.
In the ICO, 0 tokens go to the founder, the board. Everything goes to the people that actually contribute.
Okay.
We are compensated 7%. We are brokers. All that we do is site select, grow the basin. So we work for the token holders. 20% of the token distribution goes back to the token holders because, you invested, you need to get more.
Right.
And from the 7 and the 20, well, we give 3% to charity. Okay. So we're supporting the Parks Sierra Club and the Ronald McDonald House, just because those are our charities.
Okay, well, like I said, I'm working with the governor of Kentucky and his cabinet, and working with a lot of people in the General Assembly in Kentucky. So I think that let's keep in touch because I'm on a first name basis with these people, and like Appalachia is a prime area.
When you look at Appalachia, we went through the Sierra Club has a great coal ash. It's Google Earth. It's awesome. So you can go in there and you can look. I have many of the assessments. The whole rare earth stuff started in coal in 2011. The gentleman that actually started it with the EPA is a personal friend of mine, and that's what got me going in this direction. The value of the rare earth elements and what potentially could be tokenization of that could bring hundreds of millions of dollars into the economy of a state like that.
Yeah, because in Eastern Kentucky, Kentucky is ravaged after the.
It's ravaged.
Yeah.
And you look.
You've seen stuff like TVA Kingston. What happened there? For us to prevent spills like that, for us to go in and say, okay, we recognize that these basins, while they are technically stable, like right now, the current practices,
but the future
are technically stable. What about 10, 20 years from now? We want to provide a solution that, as soon as the technology is ready to go to extract the minerals from the ash, we extract the ash from that basin and we completely remediate it and restore it to its original state.
Right. And those companies that are associated with those basins who now have future liability on their books, as soon as you chemically impact the ash, last person that touches it, liability. No, that's theirs. They changed it. So that's a whole new compound. So from a perspective of a utility or a municipal power company, him, not me.
Gotcha.
And that is the real end value. That is the carrot at the end of the stick.
Yeah.
So that's it. That's Ash Elements.
Ash Elements. All
I'm
right.
Tom Friend. And this is Thomas.
Tom and Thomas. All right, guys. I appreciate that. Yeah, this is great. You put the card in there. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to send out the email tonight. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and attach Senator Rick Gerler, which is one of the senators I speak with, and he's out in Eastern Kentucky. He might be able to get, I mean, not might be able, he'll be able to talk to you more in depth on the municipal level. But I know that they've been, for the last few years, they're thinking, what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
This is the thing that in North Carolina, with Duke Energy right now, they just charged $5 billion of remediation back to the ratepayer. Okay. If we had done this and made an investment, turned a liability into an asset, well, guess what? We could have protected the voting public rather than increasing a rate base. And that's really the kind of the passion for us right now, is how can you take a liability, turn it into an asset, protect the environment, and also protect the United States strategically, because 90% of these assets come from China.
Yep. Wow, this is great. Yeah, I'm glad the guys told me to come over here.
Make the introductions. We're here to talk.
All right, sir.
Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it.
No problem. And I'll be back tomorrow too.
Sounds good. We'll be here.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Hey, that was Victor. Thanks for that recommendation. That was dope. Anything else you guys want to see? I don't want to go to the stuff that everybody knows, like Hyperledger, Changelly, and whatnot. Let's see. I meant to put the schedule of events on the description, and that's my bad. But and it showed the people who are there. But you go. Let me go find a itinerary, and then I can read out all who's here. And you guys just tell me who you want to see, and I'll go there. Blockchain empowered real estate lending. There you go. That's what I want to hit. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, tell me about this.
Yeah, we have a great team here. There's 14 of us, but what we do is we're a blockchain-enabled real estate platform, and we are refinancing properties at 0.25% below prime. So major disruptor.
2.5% below the market value?
Yeah.
Okay.
Below, interest rate.
Okay.
So where most banks are always 1-2%
below prime. Below prime. Okay, gotcha.
So we're trying to really make a difference, and it's true peer-to-peer lending. It's all tracked on the blockchain. So when people invest, we take those tokens that we sell and we refinance more.
Finance. Gotcha. Are you doing ICO?
We're doing a TAL. We feel like an ICO is probably not the right term today. So a TAL is a tokenized asset offering.
Yes.
And so that's what we're offering.
Nice.
Yeah, we launched it on the ERC20 protocol.
Okay, thelendingcoin.com. All right, cool. Yeah. I'm going to check that out tonight and be back tomorrow with some questions.
Awesome.
Cool. All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, guys.
How you doing?
You doing good. What you got going on?
So we are QUE Technologies. We specialize in community engagement for like ICOs and whatnot. And just like recently, all these ICOs are realizing how important it is that you engage, you have an active community, and you can be able to activate them for your promos and whatnot. So that's what we specialize in. We're like #1 in viral advocacy right now, and we're running campaigns for like a ton of companies as well. So
you're doing like acquisition for like the Telegram channels and stuff like that.
Yeah. So what we would do is like you would pay us, and then we would create a separate page. Like I actually have one of our campaigns we're running right now. It's for a political campaign, and for Jonathan Lamb. Like what we do is this is our political campaign for like the politics space as well.
Okay.
So we do it for brand promos. Bruno Mars is a client of ours.
Nice.
Bruno Mars is Selva Ray Rum. We're running a sweepstakes for them.
Nice.
So we're also just all of a sudden diving into like ICOs in the crypto world. We're creating a special team called Gamma Ray, and it'll be like our team that like specifically focuses with ICOs in the crypto world.
Nice.
So if you contact us through that business card, we can put you in touch with one of our business specialists at Gamma Ray as well.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna be sending out a slew of emails tonight, and I'll be detailed in who I am and whatnot. Yeah, I'd love to talk to them. We're working on something.
If you have any other questions, just email us, and we'd love to fill you in on anything else.
Okay, cool. Oh, get the tea. Oh, need to put this down for a second, guys. All right, I got too much stuff in my hand, so I'm gonna head over back to the VIP room, drop this stuff off, and then be back on the floor. Don't forget, go ahead and share this. Be on Telegram, Discord, whatnot, Twitter, Reddit. All right. I need to hit up Polymath. Sinclair here yet?
I don't think he's coming.
He's not coming at all?
Yeah, because we talked, but yours and Tisha, you make it.
Okay, so I talked to him last night.
Yeah.
I don't know if he told you that I'm going to be going out to DC next week so we can finish everything up. Okay. So we're not going to do the meetings today and tomorrow. I'm just going to go out to DC probably Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is what we're looking at. All right, and we'll just finish everything.
Yeah, two guys should be there.
Okay, awesome.
Мы пришли, стола не было. Вот был стол, ставили круг вчера, а сегодня мы пришли, только стулья стояли. И мы пошли на них, пожаловались на них.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, are you?
I'm good. BitClave. You want to tell me about that?
Sure. So BitClave is a decentralized search. We're trying to make sure that you are, as user, getting paid for searching for different goods and services.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you are deciding what information and what data you want to share. For now, if you're searching through Google, everyone gets paid but you, right?
Right.
But if you're going to search through our engine, you are the one who will get paid. So we're we're not using any marketing agencies. It's just the client and the user.
Okay.
So this is the basic of it.
Nice. Okay.
Hi.
Sorry, my hands are full. Can you hand me a business card?
Of course.
Put it right there
Here
to
we
my
go.
fingers. Thank you. Awesome. I'm going to look at it tonight, and I'm going to come back tomorrow with some questions.
Yeah, if you have more questions, come back.
Thank you, man.
Sure, have a good day.
You too. All right, guys, what do you got? Our carrot bars and Hedera there. Let me check. Hold on. Let me go. I got to go grab the itinerary, which is where I'm heading to now, and I'll let you know in like 30 seconds. I need to head over to Koala. I'll do that in a second. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Thank you. My hands are so full. All right. Hey, Charles. You get the update thing yet?
Check.
All right.
So at that time,
like a battery pack or something?
Yeah, speaking of backpacks, they're giving away battery packs over there. I should go grab one.
It's like the .com world in 98 all over it.
I know, right? Well, I mean, I don't remember it, but yeah.
I just started my career. I call it like the tail end. They had like the yacht parties and all
Yeah. One of my friends that I met out here a few years ago, he was briefly a millionaire during .com. And he said he took a trip, went to the Maldives. When he came back, he was broke. Okay, so I went to the amphitheater. Wasn't nobody talking.
They still have stuff going on.
Okay.
You probably missed it. But now we can go upstairs too. Does Neo have a presence here?
They don't. They're still on the APEC tour.
Charles Wu, and then let's just grab the badge.
Just put it down right in front of my face.
Gotta get that VIP treatment, you feel me? Ionic Warrior Gaming, you asked if Carrot Bars and Hedera are there.
Really voracious investment system. So
is Hedera here?
What?
Is Hedera here? Hedera?
Hedera? Yeah. Is that like a person? Or
no, it's a group. Excuse me. Let's see. There's a conference guide. This is the program schedule.
There you go. Sorry about it. Yeah.
Let's see.
That's easy. Just have a sticker.
I don't think that those two are here.
He told us to come back here. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I don't think those guys are here.
It was on that one. You need to get this printed out on one of those entities that does.
All right. Just need your name.
Oh, thank you.
It is all right. The name and the company that you want to be printed.
Yeah, they're not here.
I don't want the company.
Sorry about that, Ionic Warrior. Those two happen to not be here. Now that I got VIP, let us go up to the VIP. All right. That's a cool little painting. We're up here in the VIP lounge. We've got our thing upgraded. Oh, is this where they're talking? Are they talking right here?
No, there's a theater way in the back.
Yeah, I mean that's where I went, and there was like nobody in there.
I think someone's going live now.
Okay, it must have been during the transition.
Yeah, someone's in.
What is this?
This is the pitch lounge.
Ah. Out the entrance to the right.
Yeah.
Because they just set up the food.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna get lunch and be back in. But I'm gonna go back to the amphitheater real quick to see who's talking. Because last time I went, there was no one talking. Oh, this is the talk. This is the talk.
So we make it in. And I think our space is going to be content called
I'm put the phone down real quick. I gotta get my stuff together.
I'm not speaking for everybody, but I think many of us have to look at technology habits of man how to so that we are able to
all right, got my battery pack plugged in.
but also the mass market.
All right. What is this? Main coin, mainstream. Awesome.
We provide professionals over to you, massage, beauty.
Yeah, a home like wellness, beauty and wellness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Nice. Huh. You got a partner. You got a partnership with Snapchat and Lyft. What's that about?
You would want to ask him.
Okay.
This is Drink Token.
I love it. All right, brother. Thank you.
Hey, how you doing, bro?
How's it going?
My name is Jerome. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. Yeah, I've noticed that you have a partnership with Lyft and Snapchat. Well, what does that entail?
So Lyft, we work with them in Philadelphia and New York. So what the drivers do, they take some of our beauty bags, which have our marketing material and then a gift for their riders, and then the driver actually hands it to the riders in the car.
Gotcha.
So it's just in-car advertising.
Gotcha.
Why would Lyft want to do that? It's because it separates them from Uber. Someone's just getting in an Uber and they're going to their destination, but if you can create kind of experience where they get that goodie bag, which we pay for, then it's value for them, and it's value for us, because that experience, that contact, it's kind of rare to get that.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.
And then Snapchat, so we've done a couple media deals where they've seen our advertising and how we're able to just create viral content. So they give us a few free ad spots within Snapchat.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Cool. Yeah, those are my main two questions. Everything else pretty straightforward, and I like it.
So what brings you to the?
I'm a blockchain developer, and I also have a YouTube page. So I travel conferences and streaming.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. So how big is your following on YouTube?
So my YouTube is subscriber wise, I only have a few hundred subscribers, but anytime I do a conference, I'm getting like 60,000 minutes worth of view time. So my subscriber rate is pretty low, but I went to Neo DevCon last month.
Okay.
And had like over 100,000 minutes worth of watch time. So.
Do you have a business card?
I'm fresh out. I was giving them out left and right, but
busy today.
Yeah,
well,
this is you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm emailing everybody tonight that I meet. So, and then I'll be back tomorrow as well.
I'm doing the same thing. So we're doing a token giveaway. We're giving away 10,000 tokens.
Okay.
For someone who participates. ICO on private too.
Okay.
So I can just take down your email. I'll put you on the mailing list. Are you recording right now?
You're live.
Okay, cool. Love it.
Yeah. Can you hold this for me?
Should I talk to the viewers?
Yeah, talk to the viewers. Go ahead, talk to the viewers. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's YouTube. Am I on the right page?
Yeah, you can just start touching.
Queries at your partner. All right, there you go, sir.
Cool.
Thank you. I got it. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Cheers. See you around.
See you around. Let us see. Too much stuff, man. I should have brought a suitcase out here. Brought a backpack when I got on the plane, and now I got all this extra stuff that I may not be able to take back. All right. Hey guys, I think I'm about to head over to lunch, and I'll be back within, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. So, like I said, if you want to subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notified when I go live again, if you've already haven't. But yeah, I gotta get some food in me. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll let you guys later.